Does your kitchen need an oil change? Choosing the right cooking oil for your business can mean the difference between a one-time visitor and a regular customer. With partially hydrogenated oils being phased out, you may be looking for a healthier trans-fat-free oil as an alternative. USA sunflower oil is definitely an oil you should consider. Sunflower oil is a superior fry oil with a high smoke point, making it ideal for foods that are deep-fried or pan-fried. Research shows that sun oil has a longer fry life than many other oils. In a 12-day fry test, there was less free fatty acid formation in sunflower oil than in other oils. This is positive news, since the lower the free fatty acids, the better the oil.
Many of our customers have seen the oil in their deep fryers last longer when they switch to sunflower oil. The main reason for this is the composition of sun oil is made up of mostly monounsaturated fats, which makes the oil very stable. As a result, the oil does not burn off as quickly and does not need to be changed as often.
Canadians have a very positive perception of sunflower oil, with 71% indicating that they believe sunflower oil is healthier than other oils. And indeed, it is a healthy oil, since it is non-GMO and is also very high in vitamin E content.
Compared to other oils, sunflower oil creates a crispier product with a clean, light taste, since there is less absorption of sunflower oil into the food. Sun oil is also a good choice for creating marinades, dressings, and infusions, and is certified for use in vegan, halal, and kosher menu items.
To provide greater cost savings, sunflower oil comes in convenient 16-liter jibs and is also available in a blend with other trans-fat-free oils. Many food service operators have already switched to sunflower oil. If you would like to test sunflower oil in your kitchen, contact a supplier by visiting the National Sunflower Association at sunflowernsa.com.